Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades, and I was working on another project and knew I was going to have quite a bit of runoff paint, so I worked over this silicone mat in order to catch it all so that I could do a dipped painting with the excess paint. And right now I'm just trying to move the paint around into the size of my canvas, which is a 8x8, and all the colors and descriptions of how I mix the paint is listed below this video. I love this mat. I actually have two of them, and they're great for different projects. So I need to move it just a little bit more. And then I had this wild, crazy idea. Why not do a reverse Dutch pour dip painting? So I'm adding white all around the edges, and I've got my handy dandy blow dryer here. I'm gonna blow the white over the paint here, and then I'm gonna blow it back. And I will tell you, yes, I made a mess. You can't hardly not make a little bit of a mess when you're doing a Dutch pour. And then I blew it back one more time, and I like it right here. So I'm going to just dip my painting down in my canvas down into the paint, and there is a ton of paint on this mat. So I was afraid to push down too hard because it was actually running over the side there. I was afraid if I pushed too hard it would squish it out with the surface of that silicone. And there's a lot of suction between the canvas and the paint. Alas, I didn't push hard enough. I have a little spot there that did not come in contact. So I'm going to dip it back down into the paint. And if you're interested in purchasing these silicone mats, I have listed them below, the link to my Amazon shop where these can be purchased. So this looks better, but I still have one spot there, and instead of just trying to fix it, I decided to go back in for another dip. And I'm making sure that I know exactly where it's at, so I can put a little bit of pressure in that area. And it worked, but I lost the majority of my pink. Which made me a little bit sad, but I do like this, the way the colors blended together. I mean, a dip painting is just beautiful anyway. May not get the exact results as I wanted, but I do like it. Will tell you that I took a little bit of paint on my stick and swiped it across where this white is. You'll see the dried results in just a second. There's quite a bit of air bubbles in my paint, probably from the suction when I was pulling it up. So using my torch just to kind of heat up the paint and pop those bubbles. And I want to dip my edges so that the design continues over the side. And there it is. I like it. The colors are gentle. There's those little more hint of pink that is starting to pop through, which I'm really happy about. I think it looks great. So I still have quite a bit of paint on this mat. Make some really great skins for another project. However, I decided to dip another one. Why not? So I dipped a 6x6, and this is it here. I think it turned out really great. Got a little bit of the purple in this one. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you'll hit that subscribe button, if you ring the bell next to it, you'll get notified when I upload future videos. Click like and share. If you have any comments, I would love to hear your thoughts, suggestions, whatever you're thinking. And I want to thank you for watching my video. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.